doing it wrong. You have been doing it wrong. We all be doing it wrong. But what's the real secret behind how to get your first 1,000 subscribers as a music producer or a beat maker? I've been searching, but guess what? I've got a secret. You have to listen to me. I have a secret for you. Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, RJM baby. Yeah. On today's episode is how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube as a music producer or a beat maker. A lot of people have been thinking of this for years, but still they don't have even 5 subscribers, and it's really stressful. Worry too. But don't forget, today I have a secret for you all. Your secret to your success. How to get your first 1,000 subscribers as a beat maker or a music producer. But first thing first, on YouTube we have 3 types of beat makers and or music producers. 1, you can create your YouTube channel to sell your beats. 2, you can create your YouTube channel to do your beats making tutorials. 3, you can do your YouTube channel teaching people how to make money through their music or through their sound engineering career. So who are you? Are you selling beats? Are you doing beat tutorials? The question, the answer is to you. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes. So let's start everything. So number 1 on my list is, after you have discovered that you want to sell a beat on your channel or you want to do a beat making tutorials, first thing is, after uploading your music to your YouTube channel, you have to get a nice title for the content. So let's say you are a music producer based in Ghana or Nigeria, so you are selling beats on YouTube. So after uploading a beat on YouTube, you can caption it, let's say free, maybe Burna Boy type beats or CK type beats or Kenneth Rhymes type beats, so that a lot of people are on YouTube searching for that type beat, so that your beats can pop up when they search for you. So the title is very necessary. And let's say you are a beat maker, like you do beat making tutorials, you can also do something like how to do beats for, let's say, Burna Boy, how to do beats for Drake, how to do beats for CK. So you have to make your title catchy so that it can attract people's attention for them to click on your videos. So your title must be attractive to catch the attention of your viewers. So it doesn't matter if you have 20 subscribers or 10 subscribers. All you need is make your YouTube channel very attractive, and your title can make your videos attractive to attract many viewers to your channel. This is secret because a lot of people have been doing, like, they have been following trend. I'm not saying following trend is very bad or something like that, nah, but you have to add a little spice to your beat. So number 2 on my list is your thumbnail. You have to make your thumbnail very unique and very eye-catchy so that people will see and they cannot escape. So they will be touching it and they'll be watching your video. So make your thumbnail very catchy. So let's say you're doing a beat making tutorials, you can even you can even snap your studio background and be there, and after that you add a little caption like here, then you post it. Or you can do like let's say a cover art. Yeah, you can edit it, then you add it on your video. Don't use the original thing. You have to edit a specific on the video that was very attractive, then you capture it and edit it, then you'll be posting it. You post that thing on your video so that people will be seeing that thing, and that thing will attract them for them to click on your video. So your thumbnail must be attractive too. So don't do any thumbnail. You have to do a catchy thumbnail. This simple thing. See the thing, and let's say you are doing a beat, like you're selling beats on YouTube. You can do your own catchy thumbnail. Then after you upload the video, then you place that thing on the video so that it will be the first to pop up for people to click on it. So your thumbnail must be attractive and catchy too. So number 3 is tag. A lot of upcoming sound engineers like me don't like tags, and we don't even know the benefit of tags. But let me say something. Tags really important. Tags is very important. So you have to do also, you have to tags. People don't know what I'm saying, but I'm coming to break it down for you to understand. When you say tags, let's say you are doing Afrobeat. So after title it like how to do Afrobeats. After the title, we have something on at the end of when you are trying to upload the video. So you go there, then you'll do your tags. Make sure that your tags is like your tags link with your title. Do you get me? Let's say how to make Afrobeat instrumental. So your tags must be, let's say, how to make Afrobeat instrumental, Afrobeat type instrumental, like on your tags, so that when people search for those kind of words, your video too can pop up. So the tags is very necessary. You have to tag on your videos. You have to bring tags on your videos. So tags is very important. I know people will be saying what's tags, and don't forget, after doing your tags, the words on your tags, you have to copy those kind of words to your description. So my next is description. So you have to copy the tags to your descriptions. So the description must be, let's say you'll be writing, okay, this is the simple way to make Afrobeat instrumental. And after that, you add a link, let's say your YouTube channel link. After that, then you bring a small tag, like the tag must be the tags from your original tags. Then you copy that tags and you paste that tags on your description, so that it will be easy for people to search for your videos. It will be easy for YouTube to promote your videos. YouTube can't watch all your videos, so sometimes they read your descriptions. So your description must be more relative to your video. You see? Yeah. So after the description, the next on my list is consistency. Yeah, consistency. I know I'm not consistency, but you can be a consistency person. Yeah, at least every week you must drop a video on your channel, on your beat making channel, or on your beat selling channel. You can even drop daily beats. Yeah, it depends on how you promote your links. Yeah, so you must be consistency. Don't post today and wait for 1 month before you post another video. Nah, that's off bet. You have to post at least weekly. You have to post. So for you to get your 1,000 subscribers, you have to be consistent on YouTube. Be posting. So when one person watch the video, he'll be watching another video. Then if the beat is good for him, or if what you're doing is good for him, like he or she would subscribe to your channel. Yeah. So the last but not least is niche. You have to know your audience. You have to know your fans. Let's say you can, like, you sell beats, you make beats, you do teachings like how I do my thing. Yeah. But me, I have my own niche. I know that when I do beat making, I get a lot of subscribers on my channel. So I know that if I do beat making tutorials, I get a lot of subscribers. So I will not stop. I'll continue doing that thing, because that thing always bring me subscribers. So you have to know your niche, know what your audience wants. Then if you know what your audience wants, then you'll be giving them more and more, and this can make you have your 1,000 subscribers very shortly. I'm not joking. I started this YouTube channel back in 2012, but I wasn't posting anything. I just started posting a lot of shit on my YouTube channel last year around June, July. Yeah, and since I was posting a lot, now I have around 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so you can do it. So you have to know your niche, what your audience wants, then you'll be giving them more. So the last one is build a brand on social media. Build a solid brand on social media. As a beat maker or music producer, you have to have social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest. Yeah, so that after posting your videos on YouTube, you'll be sharing the link. You'll be sharing the link on your Facebook handles, Instagram handles, Twitter handles. Then your followers who are following you on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter will click on the link to watch your videos, and they can subscribe through that. So you have to build a brand on social media, and if your brand on social media is solid, you can get like an advertisement, you can get brand deals, so on and so forth. So you have to build a brand on social media. Don't say you are a music producer, so you are just there to serve the musicians. Nah, you have to build your own brand so that people too can patronize you and your service. So build a brand on social media, and it's not guaranteed though, but I know if you do what I've told you right now, your subscribers will move from 0 to a huge number. Just try it. Thank you for giving me your time, and I appreciate it. And I know if you do what I'm trying to tell you, your life on YouTube will never be the same. It will change. Yeah, cause my own have changed, and I know your own too can change. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenna Rhymes, and I'm out.